Moving to a new country in 2026 is more than just a relocation. It's a life decision. Whether you're starting a new career, retiring abroad, or reconnecting with family, international moving can feel overwhelming at first. There are logistics, timelines, customs requirements, and the responsibility of safely transporting everything you own across the world. But it doesn't have to be complicated. With the right plan and the right team guiding you, your move can be smooth, organized, and completely stress-free. At SDC International Shipping, we help individuals and families move overseas from anywhere in the United States. As a licensed international moving company, we handle the entire process from door to door, so you're never left guessing what comes next. Because international moving isn't just about transportation, it's about planning, coordination, and protecting your belongings every step of the way. The process starts with understanding your move. We evaluate the size of your shipment, your destination, and your timeline. This allows us to recommend the most efficient and cost-effective shipping method for your situation. From there, professional packing becomes one of the most important steps. Our trained crews use high-quality materials and custom crating when needed to protect fragile and valuable items. Whether it's furniture, electronics, or personal keepsakes, everything is prepared for international transit with care and precision. Next comes transportation. For smaller or time-sensitive shipments, air freight offers a faster solution. For full household moves, sea freight is typically the most practical and cost-effective option. Your belongings are loaded into secure shipping containers and transported across international routes with full coordination from origin to destination. And throughout the entire process, tracking and communication keep you informed, so you always know where your shipment is and what to expect next. One of the most common concerns people have is safety. That's why protection is built into every step. From professional packing to optional all-risk cargo insurance, your shipment can be covered from the moment it leaves your home to the moment it arrives at your new one, helping protect against loss or damage during transit. Another major concern is customs. Every country has its own rules, required documents, and import regulations. Missing paperwork or incorrect filings can lead to delays, storage fees, or unexpected charges. That's why guidance matters. We help you prepare the required documentation, understand the process, and avoid costly mistakes before your shipment even leaves the United States. No two moves are the same. Some clients are relocating an entire household and need a full container. Others are moving smaller shipments and benefit from shared container options. There are also situations where timing doesn't align perfectly. In those cases, secure and climate-controlled storage provides flexibility while keeping your belongings protected until delivery. For clients with high value or delicate items, specialized handling ensures everything arrives safely. And when it comes to vehicle shipping, it's important to do it the right way. Vehicles are shipped securely only when containerized together with household goods, ensuring better protection and streamlined delivery. What truly makes the difference in an international move isn't just the services, it's the experience behind them. With years of global moving expertise, dedicated coordinators, and trusted international partners, every detail is managed with care so you can focus on your next chapter. Because moving overseas isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about starting the next phase of your life with confidence. If you're planning an international move, the next step is simple. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267 to speak with a moving specialist and get your personalized quote. SDC International Shipping, your guide to a smooth, secure move anywhere in the world.